Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos on Friday 16th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec. Looking at cable, which has actually managed to tick slightly higher in the course of the last few sessions really. It seems as though it's been picking up 3 of the last 4 sessions it's closed higher. And again, we're seeing about 40 pips up on the day. So a decent little recovery we've got on sterling. To be honest, in the context of where we've been, it's just minuscule really though. And the pace of the recovery would suggest it's not a short covering move in any way really. It's just a little bit of a rebound that's likely to find it difficult to maintain traction. Yesterday's move was interesting, failing at 121.50, closing back under, losing over 60 pips into the close and then back under 121 figure again. So it'll be interesting to see how the market copes with this little foray above 121 figure. You've got the resistance at 22.10 and 22.50. I spoke in the morning report about the 21-day moving average. This basis of resistance really in the last few months has frequently been acted as a basis of resistance, not to the pip exactly, and it's a decent guide I think more than anything, but it's interesting that throughout July it was resistance and then that comes in at 22.16 at the moment, around about where these reaction highs from earlier in August come in. So this little rally that is helping to unwind some of the overstretched RSI back towards say 40 area, maybe 45 on the RSI. Could that be a chance to sell? You've got a little tick higher in the MACD and the stochastics, but generally speaking, negative configuration across the board. And you've seen throughout the runs in the last few months, really, you do get this sort of run of maybe 4 or 5 days of gains on sterling before the selling pressure comes back in. So this is fairly well within the scope of those sort of previous moves. So I would be using this as a likely move and a chance to find the next selling opportunity. You've got to be looking for sell signals coming through on the hourly chart probably to give you that indication, but for now we're a little bit above 121 figure, but as I said, resistance overhead 21.50 initially, 22.10 and then 22.50, but yeah, I mean the scope of the last few days is a little bit of a recovery phase, but how long that lasts for will be very interesting to see. I'm not entirely convinced it's going to be too long before we start to see the selling pressure coming back in. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to my videos on YouTube, but also go to our website where you can sign up for our trading webinars. Thank you very much.